The Philippine Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, or Republic Act 9003, mandates each local government unit as primarily responsible in managing solid waste generated within the jurisdiction. Technical and financial challenges, as well as limited terms of local political tenure, cause that many initiatives to enhance solid waste management are discontinued and unsustainable. However, the national law recognizes the potentially valuable contributions of national government agencies, academe, media, and non-governmental organizations and other stakeholders to support solid waste management on the local level through networks. RA 9003 mandates the creation of Regional Ecology Center or REC to assist LGUs in implementing RA 9003 and carrying out their related duties. Specifically, the Regional Ecology Center serves as a platform for public participation from all sectors and for all aspects related to solid waste management, as well as a center for information, knowledge transfer, data processing, and networking services. The Eastern Visayas region was among the first in implementing the legally prescribed Regional Ecology Center, which pioneered the conduct of annual solid waste management conferences, which is primarily held to be a venue to share experiences and promote good solid waste management practices and policies for local government units. The Eastern Visayas Regional Ecology Center, or REC 8, was launched on December 14, 2007 through the signing of a multi-party memorandum of commitment. With the Environmental Management Bureau Regional Office 8 as its chair, a series of organizational workshops were conducted from July to November 2007. The workshops were set to define the roles and functions and identify the focal persons to represent each member agency. In order to achieve its intended direct benefits of encouraging stakeholders to engage its services, primarily the local government units, the Solid Waste Management Unit of EMB 8 benchmarked the impact chain developed by EMB Region 6. In accordance with the said impact chain, the next logical milestone to be achieved was establishment of the REC 8 committees. EMB 8 then utilized the processes used for establishing the conceptual framework. In 2008, organizational workshops with REC 8 members were conducted. REC members identified 4 major solid waste management issues in Eastern Visayas. These issues are lack of public awareness and weak advocacy efforts, existing gaps in networking, linkages, and partnerships, limited technology transfer or technical assistance to solid waste management implementers, and passive local governance. REC 8 then came up with its own vision statement. REC 8 envisions as a prime mover and catalyst in the sustainable implementation of RA 9003, guiding LGUs, communities, and other stakeholders in its pursuit towards a clean and healthy environment. REC 8 members also agreed on a common mission to support all stakeholders in implementing and sustaining solid waste management initiatives by harnessing all available resources to forge partnerships and linkages in Eastern Visayas and the neighboring regions. It will provide support to LGUs and all sectors of society through know-how transfer, technical assistance, and networking. Having an inventory of existing products and services that it can offer to LGUs, as well as its individual dreams relevant to waste management in the region, the REC 8 organized itself into 3 committees: the Education, Advocacy, and Knowledge Management, the Technology Development and Transfer, and the LGU Assistance, Networking, and Public-Private Partnerships. Also, in 2008, each REC 8 committee formulated its work plan for 2008 to 2010 last October 2, 2008. The benefit of forming such committees is geared towards a more focused delivery of services for each thematic area of waste management. In addition, The accountability of each REC committee is enhanced as LGUs would know which group to approach for specific concerns. To support the REC, EMB 8 assigned focal persons to serve as secretariat or facilitator to each REC 8 committee. To improve communication lines among REC members, the rec8@yahoogroups.com mailing list was created. Since then, REC 8 has conducted annual solid waste management summits, organized a regional search for solid waste management model LGUs, prepared annual solid waste management chronicles through the State of the Brown Environment reports, developed knowledge management products for local government units, and continuously conducted annual stakeholder needs assessment studies. After the signing of the Memorandum of Commitment during the first Solid Waste Management Summit, REC 8 since then held annually the same Solid Waste Management Summit. In 2008, the second REC 8 Summit was held at the Asia Convention Center in Tacloban City with more or less 400 participants. In 2009, REC 8 conducted the first ever Solid Waste Management Media Information Day, where members of the local media were enlightened with the solid waste management implementation as well as the scope of the program and the limitations of the technology. This also forged partnership with the local media to widen solid waste management advocacy. This same event also saw to the launch of the search for REC 8 model LGUs and best practices in solid waste management. Chosen winners were awarded during the Solid Waste Management Summit in 2009. What has now become an annual event, REC 8 also held the third REC 8 Solid Waste Management Summit, this time at the DPWH Multipurpose Hall at the Government Center in Palo Leyte. It carried the theme, Sustaining Waste Reduction Initiatives through R, Recycling, E, Education, and C, Composting, our regional reaction to climate change mitigation. The event gathered at least 300 participants from all over the region. Aside from the usual role as organizers, REC 8 members also served as resource persons and moderators during the summit. The third REC 8 also launched the first ever Eco-Fusion in Fashion recyclable show, featuring gowns made of recycled materials. The fashion event was hailed as a successful one that it inspires the REC 8 to hold the same for the 5th REC 8 Summit this 2011. In 2009, REC 8 members also made a study visit to the Material Recovery Facility, Composting, and Recycling Enterprise projects of Tabon-Tabon Leyte. In 2010, the 4th REC 8 Summit was also held at the same venue of the DPWH Multipurpose Hall. REC 8 was very much honored and grateful to have as its keynote speaker during the 4th Summit through EMB Director Attorney Juan Miguel Cuna. In his speech, Director Cuna emphasized the importance of partnerships in the successful implementation of RA 9003 and added that there are very strong groups in our cities and municipalities who are willing to do their share but just need a little encouragement and support in terms of resources. REC 8 members also made a study visit to Calbayog City in August 2010. The visit was to the Calbayog Sanitary Landfill, which was then under final construction. The Calbayog Sanitary Landfill became fully operational in July 2011. For this year, 2011, REC 8 ushers in the 5th REC 8 Summit with the theme RA 9003 at 10, Gains and Challenges in Solid Waste Management. This year, the summit will continue to convene the major players across the local government units, industrial chains, companies, and other stakeholders where they can collectively present a platform to explore latest technologies and products and find best practices to successfully manage waste in a cost-effective and environmental-friendly manner. The 5th Regional Solid Waste Management Summit is aimed at leveling up the awareness of what have been achieved by local government units in the 10 years after the implementation of RA 9003 and is pointed at accepting the challenges of new technologies in solid waste management introduced domestically and abroad for further improvement in the implementation of solid waste management program in the region. This 2011 Rec 8 celebrates the Decade of Gains and Challenges, a Republic Act 9003, by committing to support the initiatives of the Eastern Visayas Regional Ecology Center and by doing their share to continuously improve their own ecological solid waste management programs. Since its inception 5 years ago, Rec 8 has managed to conduct regular consultations and stakeholder needs assessment surveys to proactively identify and respond to solid waste management needs of local government units, the private sector, and other involved stakeholders. For the Rec 8, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success.